Hi there. So there has been a lot of news about Google Pixel 5, which is launching on the 30th of September this month, and that date is confirmed. Here are the specs and features to expect from Google's upcoming Pixel 5 phone. So first of all, the camera. There have been rumors that are suggesting that we are getting a dual camera setup on the Google Pixel 5, a wide-angle camera and an ultra-wide-angle camera. The wide-angle main camera is going to have a 12.2 megapixel sensor and an aperture of f1.7, and we also have optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide-angle camera, on the other hand, is going to have a 16 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2, and the field of view is going to be 107 degrees. It's also going to be capable of recording 1080p videos at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frames per second, and 4K videos at 30 and finally 60 frames per second. On the front of the phone, you get a normal selfie camera with an 8 megapixel sensor and an aperture of f2.0. Next, the design and the colors. Finally, Google is getting better at designing their phones. Previously, on the Pixel 4a, we got only one color, black, and from all the renders we've seen that there is a chance that we will get a green color, and it looks good in my opinion. And on the front, the bezels are now reduced and there isn't going to be a notch or a large foliage like on the Pixel 4. It's just going to be a hole punch camera, and other important things like the proximity sensor, ambient light sensor and the earpiece are going to stack the way at the top. And as usual, with all these rumors comes some controversy. Some rumors suggest that the Pixel 5 would come with a fully recycled aluminum body, but it's also rumored that the Pixel 5 would have wireless and reverse wireless charging. And that's confusing because wireless or reverse wireless charging doesn't work with metals. And on the other hand, Dave 2D said in a recent video that the body is going to be plastic, which makes sense because Google is making the Pixel 5 a mid-range phone, and using a plastic body reduces the cost and also allow for wireless charging. So I'm betting on plastic body, but let me know what you think in the comments. And now for the improvements that they've made over the Pixel 4. First of all, the battery on the Pixel 4 was 3700 mAh, but now on the Pixel 5 we have rumors that are suggesting that it gets a 4080 mAh battery. The improvement might not look like much, but remember the Pixel 4 had a lot of radar tech on it, and that must have contributed to the battery drain. But on the Pixel 5, the battery life is going to be much better, and it also supports 18 watts fast charging, and you get the charger out of the box. The display has also been improved. We might get a 6-inch 1080p AMOLED HDR display with a refresh rate of 90Hz, which is like a big bonus, and is expected to be better than that of the Pixel 4. And we'll also be getting a dual stereo speaker setup with 3 microphones around the device, mostly for noise cancelling when recording video. And for the other specs, it's expected to have a front protection of Gorilla Glass 6, and it's expected to be IP68 dust and water resistant. It will run on Android 11 with Snapdragon's 765G chip with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It will have a fingerprint sensor on the back, which is more reliable, and it's going to cost about $700, which is 286,000 naira. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment which body you want, recycled aluminum or plastic. Like and share this video, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. That's it, and I'll see you after Google's event on the 30th of September. Peace.